Good morning, guys. So, I sure enough did not start this hair last night. Was tired. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go to sleep and wake up and start it first thing in the morning. It is now noon, which is okay because I had breakfast, had to take care of some stuff for my husband, and so now I am starting. I did part it before I went to bed, but I'm gonna have to repart. You know, I didn't put any gel because I'm like, that's wasting. Like, why put gel when you're gonna repart again? So I did my setup. I mean, it's already still done, so I'm gonna start this here part and braid. I did move my rack. I used to have it here. Now I did some MacGyver business and I put it here. I separated, hopefully, I'm trying to separate enough hair for 2 rows or 3 rows, but definitely 2 rows at a time. I got some other stragglies here. So I got my setup. My mirror is ready to go. So I'm ready. Let's see how this goes. I will do a full video from beginning to end later on when I figure out how to do this, because I am not a blogger or a recorder, YouTuber, whatever y'all people call it. I am just sharing my knowledge and sharing my experience and sharing myself to the world. And so yeah, so I got a comb brush to brush out the tinglies, and I am about to part. And when I'm probably like a couple rows in, I'll show you guys my progress. I can't even angle my camera right. I told you I don't know how to do this, pero it's okay. So let's get it going. I got my Jimmy. No, I got my mirror. About to put on some worship music. My belly is full, and I need to read some more. I didn't read a lot, but I need to eat my spiritual food a bit more. So I'll probably do that while I work. So welcome to my bathroom salon. This is